So I'm here with my 2016 Ford F-150 XL. I'm here in Tennessee. I decided on the trip my brakes needed to be replaced, so we're going to take a look at those. However, I got this aftermarket wheel set, and Discount Tire did not give me the tool for that. So I had to go locally, and luckily a nice aftermarket place had a spare that I offered to buy. So I bought this, 20 bucks. Have it in the car for the trip. This is what comes with the Ford Motorcraft brake pads. Get some new shims, and then the pads, and there's the part numbers. I want to pause it and get that information. Because I'm on vacation, I don't have all my video stuff, to typically do a video. So simple GoPro setup here. Here's the old brake pads. They're not actually horrible, but they're definitely wore down. And then this one has a crack in it. So there's definitely a performance loss there. And then here's the new one. And again, it's Motorcraft. So what you'll need is a 13 mil socket, or I had to make do with a wrench that I had for my motorcycle to get these little guys off. Just two of those. One right there, one up here. Mine came right off really easy. My father's going to see if he has a big C-clamp to compress the pistons in. And then here's the shims. So shims go on either side. There's going to be shims. That was this bag right here. I don't know if that number means anything, but there you go. Let's take a look at the shims. So here's the new shim. And it looks like, yeah, it's going to go like that. So let's see. Pop that out. Take the new one. Looks like that. Whoa. Popped out. Let's try that again. So there we go. Just have to get it in there just right, I guess. Sits in there like that. Pull off this top one. Again, they give them to you. Might as well put in new ones. And if I'm doing this with one hand, you should be able to do it with two a lot easier. I'll finish that one off camera. But yeah, we're going to take a C-clamp, compress those in, watch your overflow up here, watch your master cylinder, so don't want to come out, but I've already checked this, so it's halfway, so I'll just keep an eye on it and I'll come back when I'm done. So this is the end result. I'm on the passenger side, so this is what it looks like with the new set in. And after the fluid's all compressed, it will be roughly up to there. Just gonna suck a little. So it's, for me, it's up to the max line, so technically I could drive it like that, but I might as well take a little out to leave a little room for expansion. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And if you do need to add fluid, it's .4, which is 3 or 4, they're the same. So that is the end result. Nice short video showing you what to do. And obviously, if you have different lug nuts, that will be totally different. For me, it was these. That was the big hang up. Just make sure you get the right tool when you get if you buy rims like I did. They should give you the star tool. Mine's a 6-point, and they forgot, but it's Discount Tire. They're national. They'll probably just give me one when I go in. Just stressful when you're on a trip is all, because if I got a flat tire, I wouldn't have had this tool to get it off, and AAA would have had to tow me. Luckily, I have AAA. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, hit that notification bell. Also, check out this Amazon affiliate link in the description. That really helps out the page, as I get a little cut piece of the pie. It doesn't cost you anything, so it's a win-win for both of us. Have a good one. Bye.